Alright, I think this is where we're going to drop my truck and we're going to go back up river and drop off the kayaks. This is where we're dropping the truck?
Yep.
Alright.
I'll check the water level. Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, I think that little rain last night helped us a little bit. Doesn't look too cloudy.
Yeah, it's raining a lot north of us, so hopefully we won't get flooded out, right? We're gonna get like a boost from behind.
Oh
us.
yeah, it said it quit. It was gonna quit about 30 minutes. So I figure we get these trucks dropped off, and then should be about perfect. The water looks good.
Nice.
Big truck here and head that way.
It's where we'll finish. So we're about to drop the truck. I'm gonna head north and start the fishing. First go! No! Yeah! Man. First cast out.
If that's a good one or not. Hit it hard. Not very big.
Monsters.
That's a good one right there, boy. That is a good fish right there. Ooh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish right there.
Got a good one?
Yep. That is a toad right there. Man, it's a good fish. That's why we come right there. That's a good smallmouth right there for Arkansas.
Ooh. Oh. Got him. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, little buddy. He's a good one. Come on, buddy. He's going deep water on me. Woo, hoo, 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 hoo. Oh man, got a nice one now. We on the board. We are on the board. There he is. Oh man, he hit it. Hit up here in this shallow, took straight out here. Deeper water. That's a nice one right there. Oh! He hit it right as soon as it hit the dumb water. I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! I'm hoping I do, man. Nice. Yeah. That's a good one right there. Hit it right off those rocks with those weeds right there. As soon as it hit the water, he was sitting on that rock. There he goes. Now that is fun. A good time. If you've never done this in a kayak, like I said, this is my first time being in a kayak fishing like this, especially down up here in Arkansas. It's my first smallmouth fishing trip. It was a good time. So far it's been great. Caught a few. Hopefully we'll keep catching them. We got a thunderstorm coming up behind us, so we may get wet in a minute, but maybe the fish will really start turning on right about the time that thunderstorm gets here. Woo! There he is. There he is. Whoa! Yep. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but that was lightning right up above our head. We both made way to the bank. I'm just kind of sitting out here on the sandbar. Kind of nasty right here. Austin, I think, is in a little bit better spot than I am. So we'll sit here. I don't know if you can see back that way. It looks like it's starting to light up just a little bit, so keep our fingers crossed. That deer. Huh. I guess Austin ran up in the woods and bumped that deer out. Oh, that was pretty cool. He's down here at Austin.
a pretty decent one right there. Yeah, it's a decent fish. Good one right there. Pretty good sized chunk.
Come on, baby, stay on. I think so. I tried a different hook strategy this time. Woo! That's a toad right here. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, I see my worm up on the line, so that's good. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on now. Woo! Oh man. Ah. Yeah. Man. That right there, this little 8-pound ultralight is a blast. That was fun right there. Nice smallmouth up here on the Buffalo River in Arkansas. Whew, right on this stump right here, this log. Couple pops, and he was on. You see it, bro? Oh, right there at the bank. Yeah, baby. Come on. Oh, that's a way to finish it. Started the day with a miss. Looks like we're going to end the day with a miss. Oh my gosh. Man, it's been fun. It was definitely a goat rope this weekend. We didn't know what the weather was going to do. We were just kind of winging it, just kind of roping it. And it turned out to be pretty fun. Thunderstorm came in, rushed to the bank, took some cover, and rained on us. Sun didn't come out, but it is not hot. And in August and this kind of temperature out here, I don't know what the temperature is, but it's pretty cool, and I haven't even hardly sweated. So it's been a good time. I don't know what Austin caught, but pretty sure I caught more. He's been up here waiting on me for about 2 hours. Speed fisherman. I'm gonna throw one more time. We out of here. Hey, y'all have a good one.